Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two. Just yesterday, I showed a young man how to do this, and then he came back today. He's having trouble rotating it around the circle because of the shape of the ends. They don't match. So what we should do, I'm going to move this thing down the line a little bit, and I'm going to make this a hairline. It doesn't really matter. And I'm going to Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 12 degrees, just like you said. And you see you have this bad match. My suggestion in this case would be to go to get your shape tool, select those two nodes and break them apart. Select those two nodes and break them apart. And then get your virtual segment delete key and delete these lines, all these lines. Now you have an open gap. Let's take your 3-point curve line, go from there to there. And then if you hold down the control button, you get a better perfect arch. And then go from there and try to kind of mimic that arch. And there you have a lot better item. Now, since we rotated it 12 degrees, I believe, got to back up here. Take a 2-point back up. Take a 2-point line and hold down the control button and then hit P. And then rotate it 6 degrees, which is half that distance. And then all you have to do is take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in. Now we probably have to do it in both directions, but we'll go ahead and move this out of the way. And let's delete this. And let's move this back. And let's left click, right click. And now let's Control D, alternate C, and rotate it a negative 12 degrees. And you can see that we get the same result. So we could almost, if I would have left this top dead center, I could almost flip it. But let's just do the same thing. Let's get our shape tool and we can actually delete. Don't delete anything else but those. And I'm not deleting them. I'm going to right click and break them apart. And then you take those two and right click and break them apart. And then delete all that. Whoop, I deleted my line, but it doesn't really matter. I don't need it. It's just there for reference. And those two ends are going to meet. So we just need to take, I don't think it really matters, but we're going to do the exact same thing. I don't think it has to. And if you hold down the control button, you get better, like a more of an arch shape. Okay. I think I need to move it a little bit more downwardly. And it's kind of hard to do one at a time, but that'll work. Now I'm going to take this line and I'm actually going to hit the plus key and rotate it a negative 6 degrees. And I'm going to fill this in with the Smart Fill tool. And I'm going to nudge it out of the way for a second. And then I'm just going to delete all this, take my lines out of the way, and to keep our fingers crossed that my idea is going to work. Left click, right click, Control D, alternate C. And I really should have maybe, it's going to work, but they're not going to be overlapping. They might not. Wow. Yeah. Well, easily fixed. Let's take that arch and put it there. And then let's zoom in here a little bit. We're a little bit off. And really what I want to do now is take it and go past just a hair. Okay. Then I'm going to delete this one. Control D, alternate C, and let's rotate it a negative 12 degrees. We'll really put it back to 0. And see, our lines should be overlapping. And they are, and it's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So take this one, Control D, alternate C, 24 degrees, and hopefully I'm just Control D all the way around. Hopefully we can delete our line and take this and weld it. And I'm going to zoom in so we can see the lines disappear when I do it. And look at that. Perfect. So you kind of got to do both. You kind of have to do both ends. That's perfect. Can't ask for anything better. I like the design. I mean, it's pretty much, you know what, now that I look at it, you could do this with an ellipse and get this basically the same result. And I might even make a second video on that. That'd be cool. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.